1963. A sharp silhouette pierces the Indian sky for the first time. Not just a machine, but a promise. Fast, fearless, unyielding. They called it the MiG-21, the first supersonic aircraft of Indian Air Force, spearhead of India's aerial dominance. In 1971, when the nation's call echoed through the clouds, the MiG-21 roared the skies with thunder, striking deep into enemy lines, dominating dogfights. For more than 6 decades, it carried the pride of the tricolour and the trust of every pilot who touched its controls. Now, on the 26th of September, 2025, the roar will fall silent.